What it do, what it do. Brr. Mad as fuck. I guess it's gonna be loud pipes, loud pipes, loud pipes. Mad as fuck. Gotta fucking run straight pipes on my fucking 430 coupe. They say my fucking Cadillac converters fucking stopped up. Thank you, Father God. I just had to post this shit. Shit, yeah, bro. Fucking Flow Masters coming about the ass of this motherfucker. See how this shit go. Run them straight pipes, nigga. Loud pipes. That's what I like. You know? Shit fucking crazy, man. I want my baby to be quiet. I don't really want to do loud pipes. For real. Man, damn, it's hot as fuck in here. What the fuck? Man, I need my fucking hair done. Y'all hit me up. Y'all know how to do them twizzes. Yeah. Some bullshit, though. Fuck. Baby mad at me. Don't want even fucking clothes. Nothing. Real. This shit crazy, man. Gotta put some fucking pipes on my shit, man. See my Cadillac converters fucking clogged up. Somebody need to show me how to do this shit. Shit crazy, man. Them big boy pipes. Fuck around and sell them bitches. Take them off and run straight pipes. I looked at a couple videos. That was fire. You know. Yeah. That's what it is, man. The fucking 430 is. Say the Cadillac converters is clogged up. As you can see, it's two big ones right there. There's two more big ones in the front. We're gonna run straight pipes on that bitch. Make this bitch out of race car, all gas, no brakes. Country shit. You know how it go. She'll be back on the road in a minute. That's what it is. Y'all been asking about the 430. Asking about the Coopy. The Coopy, you see, the Coopy is up in the air. Finna get ready to get them things snatched out that bitch. And we're gonna run it right there. See how this shit go. It's hot as hell out here. So I'm gonna catch y'all when it cool off. Y'all already know, follow us there. Well, like and subscribe.